Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got a couple of KC grave knives here on the table, ready to rock and roll. Yeah, there's two. Why two? Because these two, they definitely go together. I got a Queen Anne's Revenge right over here. And on the next guy, a Quickbird flipper. Comes with a certificate of authenticity right over there, and it's this fella right over here. Bam, check them out. They are matching. Yeah, they're a matching pair. They go really, really well together. In fact, you can see that they both are sporting some blackout Damascus steel. This is Alabama Damascus, and they are both using this pretty cool topography pattern. I love the lines on the darkened Damascus, how they pop. Beautiful contrast, which blends phenomenally with this Damascus set of bolsters and clip, of course. Look at the pop on that color. And they have both marble carbon fiber scales, which are beautifully smoothened out, polished, almost indistinguishable, the transition between the bolster and the scale itself. Crazy. Titanium liners are orange peeled on the outside, jeweled on the inside, like super refined set of knives. Nice pair. Really sophisticated, tactical, and elegant. Look at the same time. Check it out. Great action, runs on bearings. You want to see the length of the blade, I guess, 3.5 inches. For both, for the cutting edge, and I would say 3 and a little bit more for the Quickbird, 3.5, yeah. And you got 3.6, 3.75. Handle is going to be 5 inches for the Queen's Edge, and a little bit less, 4 3/4. Overall, 8.5, and you got 8.25 for the Queen Anne's Revenge, which I actually prefer because of the straight tanto. Right here you have not really a recurve, but like a, yeah, kind of, yeah, recurve, I would say, but too much for me right over here. I understand, but this is spectacular. Indeed, nicely done with the swedge going on, and the divot over here, little short swedge up there. You have marble carbon fiber back spacer for both. In this case, you get some geared back spacer, whereas here is just like smooth. Look at the intricate titanium hardware with geared pivot collar. Nicely done indeed. I mean, it's a pretty cool set, I have to say it. No jimping on the spine of the blades. You have some sharpening choil, very pronounced right over there, and more subtle and integrated with the finger choil right over here, both sporting a finger groove. And yeah, I don't know which one is your favorite, which one you prefer. Pocket clips are also differently shaped. You see, this is a little bit more flat. This is a little bit more 3D going on. Probably I would go with this fella also for the size that is a little bit smaller than that. But I mean, you can't really go wrong with any of these two guys. And I think they have some pretty cool materials. The action is very good. They are on bearings, and it's something you don't see that often, this matching of the three materials. In this case, I think they really go well together. Check it out. Pretty slick. Indeed. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.